Hey, welcome back, everybody. So today I am in Kansas City, Kansas. I think that's where I'm at. Yeah, Kansas City, Kansas, at IKEA. And IKEA is a Swedish furniture store. And but I love coming here for their Swedish meatballs, and that's what I got today. I got the meatball meal. It comes with 8 meatballs, and you can get 2 sides. But I always get the double potatoes and gravy, and lingonberry sauce. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not real sure. How's, huh? Anyway, so I didn't know this, but until just now. Um, if you buy the kids meal, which comes with 4 meatballs and 1 side, it's only like $2. If you get the 8 meatball meal, it's like $8. So if you ever come here, go buy and get the kids meal, eat that, and then go back through and get another kids meal. That way you're getting the same 8 meatballs for half the price. So I'll remember that next time. So I want to dig on in. I love their Swedish meatballs. The potatoes and gravy are always excellent. That is good. That is very, very good. And if you've never had lingonberry sauce, you really never need to try this. Stuff is really good. So, yeah, I think I need a little salt and pepper on everything. Now that I salt and pepper, let's try it again. It's even better. All right, I've tried everything. Everything's delicious. Always consistently good every time I come here. I've been here like, I don't know, 4 or 5 times, and I always come back for their meatballs. Always good. So I'm gonna rate it 9 out of 10. Pretty good. So if y'all are ever in Kansas City, Kansas, stop by IKEA, do a little shopping, and get you some meatballs. Bye, y'all.